Hi, this is Palak, and I'm the founder and CEO of Ekaya, and I'm very excited to bring you a very, very special collaboration.
It's just been like I've been living, waking up, breathing this collaboration, Bhavna, into Ekaya.
Bhavna comes from a very strong background of styling. Ekaya comes from a very strong background of textile engineering. And it's almost like bringing to life Bhavna's idea of what a modern new age sari should be.
You know, I love saris. I love what Palak has done with Ekaya, the brand. The universe she's building, which is very young, confident women who are independent and who are kind of fearless. The inception of the collection was we wanted to work with the classic prints like houndstooth, nautical stripes, and then our world opened and we just said, okay, let's go into retro and just have fun with saris, fashion, blast of colors, and explore in the world of Ekaya.
What you guys see today on the collection is not just mere stripe, it's not mere polka dot, it's so much textile engineering. We have broken stereotypes around what is possible in the textile industry and what's not possible. But for those who know about textiles, they know how difficult it is to get 3 patterns in one sari. And that's what I think Ekaya brings, and that's what Bhavna brings, and together as a team, we make it the A-team. Bhavna has just been so easy and so exciting. It's almost like I voice an idea and Bhavna amplifies it into a 10x. She's so comfortable, almost like my sister, who I can talk to and I can discuss ideas with, which is the most beautiful thing about our collaboration. Everyone just sees the final product. Nobody sees the effort and the back and forth and the kind of restrictions that we come with. Because you're not just simply dipping a fabric in water and picking a color. You're sitting with artisans, trying to get them to get a perfect color, to get the perfect size of houndstooth, to get the perfect sheen on the border. There is just so much that goes behind. And I really hope everyone just look at the craftsmanship and the effort that has gone not just from the weaver side, but also from the designers and the people who have conceptualized it. We have created our own jewelry, we've created our own belts, we've created our own bags, we've created our own shoes. Nothing has gone untouched, nothing has gone unnoticed. It's a complete head-to-toe look from Bhavna and me for a modern-day girl as to how she'd like to represent herself in today's day and age. My overall vision for Ekaya has been to make the sari a part of everyone's wardrobe. If they're out of options and if they don't know what to wear, they should be like, oh, you know what? Let's pick a Bhavna x Ekaya collab. And then you wear it anywhere and everywhere. You make it yours, and that's your sari to sort of keep and to pass on.